Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make yam and mixed vegetable, aka Agworo-Agwo. Okay, let's just go ahead and get started. I'll show you the ingredients I'll be making this recipe with before I go ahead and prep them. Okay, keep on watching, and if you do enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. And a lot of you guys that watch me doesn't subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's just go ahead and let me show you. So these are the ingredients I'll be making this with. This is Ukpaka. Some people call it Ogba as well. This is onions, Scotch bonnet, seasoning cube and salt, yam of course, palm oil, and then this is green. You know, green. This is green. Okay. Ugu, some ugu. And then this is Arira. Yeah, a lot of you guys know this as well. This is Arira. It is called Arira. And Yoruba people call it a wedu. This is what they use in making a wedu. Yeah, a wedu soup. Right? Yeah. If you can't lay your hands on Arira, use okra. Yeah, this will just give it a little slime. I'll not be using all, just a little I'm going to be using. So let me just go ahead and prep this ingredient in 3, 2, 1, go. So all the vegetables have been prepped, and of course the yam. Okay, let's go ahead and get cooking. The yam in a pot. Add some water over and start cooking.
While the yam is cooking, set a pot on fire, add the vegetables and the arira. Reserve a little though. In my hometown, there's another kind of vegetable we use in making this Agworo-Agwo. It is called ewa. Okay, we use it in making abacha, Agworo-Agwo, or obono soup. If you have any kind of special vegetable in your village, please let me know in the comment section. After you add the vegetables, go ahead and add the Ukpaka, the onions, the Scotch bonnet pepper, some salt, the seasoning cube. I'm just using 1 cube here. Okay, just go ahead and add that, and then top it up with some vegetables, more vegetables. Okay, cover it and then begin to steam for 3 minutes.
So while the vegetable is cooking, just check on the yam, add in some salt, and continue
cooking. So after 3 minutes, checking on the vegetables, see you guys, it has wilt down. Can you see that? Okay, we just give it a good mix here. We're just going to turn it. Yeah, just mix it up. Okay, after that we'll be draining the yam. It is cooked at this point. Yeah, we'll be draining the yam and then adding a little bit of water from the yam because the vegetable is getting dried. Adding some oil, and then go ahead and add the cooked yam. Now just go ahead and add them in and then mix this. Can you see that mix? Keep on mixing it. That is why it is called Agworo-Agwo, mixed yam and vegetables. Keep on mixing it till it combines nicely. It combines very well. I'll check on as my mom will always say. Okay, after that you're just going to taste it for salt. Mine needed a little more salt, so I went ahead and added a little salt. I mixed it thoroughly again. I mixed it all up. Okay, and it is ready, you guys. It is very much ready. Serve this immediately, okay, and enjoy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.